Good morning, it is Lindsey Stroud, and today I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day. Just like a little life update at the beginning, I woke up feeling extremely thankful this morning, and I honestly don't really know why. If I look back to what I did different yesterday, I actually, after my workout, I walked a mile to Baskin-Robbins and I got 3 extra large scoops of my favorite ice cream. I woke up feeling great, and now I'm going to film a what I eat in a day. It is around 9 a.m., and I am working today, so this has to be very quick. I have had my morning meeting, so it's like kind of a little break I have right now, but I'm on my second cup of tea, and I always start my morning with tea. Right now I am obsessed with chai vanilla. It's like this. I don't know if you can see it. It is so good. I don't put milk in my tea of any kind because I don't like anything that's creamy or looks creamy, so that's a downfall of mine, but plain it's great as well. So I guess I'll come back to you when I decide to eat breakfast. Oh, I guess I should preface this with, I never have eaten breakfast in my whole entire life, basically, only special occasions. I have started recently to eat breakfast on the regular, and I'm feeling really good with it, other than the fact I'm never hungry, which is why I delay my breakfast till like 10:30. So I'll come back to you then, and you can see what I eat in a day. I put on makeup for this, and also I'm learning how to do eyeshadow, but I know I have a really abrupt line there, but I think it's kind of trendy. Let me know what you think. Okay, bye guys. Okay, so it is now 10:30 and my stomach is growling. So what I'm cooking is this Think Thin protein and fiber hot oatmeal. This is berry flavored. I really like the brand Think Thin, mostly because it's one of the only brands that doesn't make me like inflamed, which is super easy for me specifically. Yeah, so all I have to do is literally put this in a bowl and fill it with water, and then I add frozen fruit, frozen berries specifically. And that's all I eat for breakfast, but I have this so close to lunch that it's just kind of like a pre-lunch, you could say. Okay, so it's all made, and it's honestly super good because it's already a berry oatmeal, but then I add extra frozen berries, which cools it down so I can eat it immediately. And it kind of just helps with my sweet tooth because I really have one. But anyways, I'm gonna eat this, and then I will be back to you in like an hour or two for lunch. Okay, so it is 12:30 now. I'm hungry again, and so I'm gonna be making my own version of a Buddha bowl. So I will have a rice base, a bunch of vegetables that I probably like kind of stir fry, I guess, and steam, and then sauce to go on top. So I'll show you the ingredients now, and then we'll get started. Okay, so my lunch is all made. One thing I forgot to show you that I'm putting on are these air fried garbanzo bean chips that my mom makes. We did salt and vinegar flavoring, so it might be like a little off with what I did in this teriyaki bowl, but I'm still gonna put it because they're so good. Anyways, I'll give you an overview right now of what it looks like. Yeah, so anyways, it's time to eat. I'm not gonna eat in front of the camera just because I don't want to. And then I'll be back for the snack I usually have in the afternoon. And then tonight for dinner, my parents and I are ordering out from local restaurants every Friday. So we're doing my favorite Mexican food restaurant, Los Dos. So I'm so excited for that, and we'll see if I can figure out what I wanna get before then. It's after work now. My mom and I are leaving right now to walk to Baskin Robbins and get more ice cream. It's about a mile walk, so that'll be, you know, a nice in form of exercise. I don't know, but I'll film that, so. Okay, so now it's 7 at night. My dad just got home with our Mexican food, so I'm gonna take it out of the oven and then show you what I got. So I kind of forgot what I got, but now it's pretty obvious. I got 2 cheese enchiladas and then double rice.